Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. So today we are going to be doing some close-up swatches of the Huda Beauty Toffee Brown palette. Now I've wanted this for ages. I was actually going to get my sister to buy it for me for Christmas, but she bought me the Sample Beauty Equalizer palette. So yeah, I'm getting that off her, and I decided to go ahead and get this in the kind of pre-Black Friday sale. It's just absolutely beautiful. How could I not? I mean, this packaging reminds me of my mum. She loves leopard print and it reminds me of her. And then the eyeshadows inside, if you know me and my channel, you'll know this is my jam straight away. I mean, the yellows in it and the golds, and yeah, it's neutral palette, but it's kind of warm in areas as well with these like yellow tones. I'm really looking forward to swatching it. I hope it doesn't let me down. I've not really been let down by Huda palettes. The only one that I didn't really love when I first used was, I'll show you since it's here, is this Nude Light one, this Huda Beauty Nude Light. I didn't get the wrong one because I think the medium is too dark. It's definitely right for my skin tone. Absolutely love this shade here. Love this shade. And I'm getting to like these shimmers as well. The mattes I really do like. So I feel like maybe I was just being too harsh. I don't know where this is going to rank in my Huda collection when I do it. It's probably going to get around to Christmas time when I do it, because I need to try all the palettes. And I've got now, this is my third new Huda palette. I got a couple of the neon ones a couple of months ago, and I was gonna get that new one she brought out for Christmas, that rose quartz, but I've not got it. I don't think I'm gonna be getting that. Maybe I'll treat myself to that for my birthday. I'm not 100% sure, but I'm certainly not getting it in the immediate future. And this one, absolutely love it, but it is a mess. I keep wanting TK Maxx to bring in a new one so I can just get rid of this and get a new one, but these eyeshadows are just so soft. The formula, it just came a mess, and I haven't paid for it, so I can't complain. And they did give me a refund, TK Maxx, so yeah, I do like it. I think I like that one better than the Nude Light. But they're all shimmers as well, so if you're not a fan of all shimmer palettes, you probably won't like it. But I use that as kind of a companion palette, and I do like, I have liked all the looks I've come up with. Anyway, without further ado, let's get into swatching this baby. The thing I don't like about these Imprsssions palettes is you don't have names on them. It's so unimaginative on Huda's part, I think. Wow, okay, she's not playing. That is pigmented, and it went on so smoothly. So it's kind of a warm tone brown. I'm going to describe them as best as I can, and then we've got, it looks very glittery. I hope it's not like which are the ones that I don't like, do you know when they feel like gritty like that? I hope it's not like that. It is a bit, actually. Not too bad. So that's that one. Okay, I'm hoping that's gonna go on better when I spritz my brush. It is quite pigmented, but I do like it a little bit more pigmented than that. Then we've got a deep brown here. Not the deepest in the palette, but even sort of deeper brown. It would be good for the outer V and like the lash line. That's really smooth. That's going to go on smooth. Oh yes. Right, so that's that one. So as I was saying, I got this in the pre-Black Friday sale, and it normally sells, I don't know what it would convert to everywhere else, but in the UK it's £27, and I got it for I think £21.60, which isn't too bad. Right, I'm looking forward to swatching this shade because it's one of her marble shades, and I've not tried this formula yet, because I didn't get that Naughty Nude last year that she brought out, because quite frankly I don't like the colour story. Oh, it's lacklustre. Yeah, quite frankly I don't like that colour story, it's too deep. So that's that one. Not too sure about that. I'm really impressed with the mattes so far. This yellow better be good. Oh yes, that's nice and pigmented. It's what we want. It's like, I wouldn't even say it's like a mustard. I would say it's more like an egg yolk or something like that, or a little bit like the sun. And then we've got a bronze shade here. Even if I don't like this palette now, I'm stuck with it. That is gorgeous. It's worth it for that shade. Oh, that is so foiled. So that's that one there. It's like a copper, really nice foiled shade. And then we're on the last row, so we're going in with the deepest brown in the palette now. Again, good for the outer V and lash line, and even to do a wing as well. Look how chocolatey and dark that is. I've not done it yet, which has surprised me. I've had this palette a couple of weeks now. I've not actually looked on YouTube. Normally I look on YouTube for inspiration, or even Pinterest, to try and get inspiration on what looks I want to do. I don't do it in every video because I like to look at a palette and look at the colour story and then decide, and then just kind of wing it, and just do what I want to do. But when I get palettes like this from Huda, I watch other people's videos first and kind of take inspiration from that. Right, so now we've got a yellow gold here. This one feels quite chalky, but that's really, really pretty. Another foiled one. Okay, so I don't feel like I can complain about this palette. Now, my friend Lisa from Banning, Panning and Beyond, I think she's recently hauled this one. I don't know if she's wore it yet. But yeah, I mean, it does look beautiful. And then, best bit of all is they've put this like cream ivory shade in. It's a little bit deeper than what I would normally like. I'd say it's more peachy, but I'm glad that it's there. It will help like blend out eyeshadows if you've gone a bit OTT like I sometimes do. Right, so that's what they look like with the light on. I'm just going to dim it a little bit. It's really, really late. It's like 3 AM or something like that. So I'm just going to dim the light a little bit, and then you should be able to see them a bit better. Right, so that's what it's looking like now. But yeah, guys, it's a beautiful, beautiful palette. I'm glad that I've got it in my collection. Absolutely adore it. Adore the packaging. Yeah, it just reminds me. It just reminds me of my mum so much. Just with this like packaging here. So I think I would always keep it anyway. But yeah, guys, this concludes the video. So guys, this concludes the video. Please like, subscribe, share and comment, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.